What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a hard, clean 808 bass in FL Studio Mobile, using only stock plugins. No sample packs needed. Let's get into it. Open up a GMSynth. Alright, let's switch oscillator A to a sine wave. We finished our work here, so let's make our way to the level. This is the part where we adjust our sound settings, deciding how long and how loud we want it to be. To get that 808 vibe, we should adjust the decay to somewhere between 40% to 50% for that perfect sound. We'll revisit this part every now and then, so just remember that. Alright, let's head over to the FX section. We can adjust the distortion here without needing any extra plugins, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's turn that Y slider down to the bottom so we can hear that 808 on our phones too. I know this sounds nothing like the 808. If you stay till the end, you'll learn many things from this video. Let's add pitch drop effect to this 808. It's very important. Pitch drop is popular in modern 808s, especially trap and drill. Go ahead and click on the EG section. Select the pitch option. Let's lower the sustain and release to the minimum, we don't really need those settings. Set the decay to around 50% and set the amount to 40%, just like it's shown in the video. Let's head over to the voices section and adjust that TRNSP to -24. Tap on level and turn up the level to maximum, or however you prefer it. You'll be amazed to hear that our 808 bass is all set up, it only took 3 minutes. There's still some adjustments to make. Let's not overlook the importance of switching it to mono. Let's go ahead and do that. Head over to the voices section and enable the mono option. Bass should be mono so it stays powerful and doesn't disappear on big speakers. We're back at the level section again. This is where you can adjust the sound duration to your preference, whether you want it to be long or short. Adjust the decay slider to your preference. For a plucky sound, set the decay between 10% to 40%. If you prefer a longer lasting or continuous sound, set it between 50% to 100%.